Hi, today we are talking about the earnings of some of the mid-cap IT companies that declared their results recently. So we are talking about NIIT Technologies, Cyient and Mindtree. As you can see in the exhibit, NIIT had a strong show with a sequential constant currency revenue growth of 7.6%. Cyient was also commendable at 6.5%, but it was a weak show from Mindtree with a growth of 2.4%. So what were the other highlights of the result? For NIIT Technologies, not only was the revenue very supportive, they also managed to improve their operating margin by close to 217 basis points sequentially at 18%. The order inflow was extremely healthy at $160 million, and the company has an order backlog of $363 million, and the outlook for business was extremely encouraging as portrayed by the management. Coming to Cyient, after the soft patch of Q1, definitely Q2 was a better quarter. And for the company, 6 out of the 7 verticals were very supportive. It also managed to improve its margin sequentially by 150 basis points at 13.7%, and the guidance for FY19 is also healthy, although Q3 will not be such a stellar quarter. Coming to Mindtree, the revenue was weak, and this was because of one vertical of retail, CPG and manufacturing, where certain contracts ended and the new orders flow were a little slow. But the company did manage to improve its operating margin by close to 130 basis points at 15.4%. But what was a little bit of a negative surprise from Mindtree was the commentary on the demand environment. The management mentioned that because of the volatility in the global environment, clients are getting cautious, and they also sounded cautious about the digital spending of their BFS clients. Now, what to do with the stocks? The stocks have had a decent rally except for Cyient, and we feel that given the outlook, we would still like to recommend NIIT as a buy, and we are comfortable with the valuation of 15 times FY20 expected earnings. Cyient, given that their outlook for business overall is quite healthy for FY19, we are comfortable with the valuation at 13.8 times FY20 expected earnings. However, for Mindtree, the valuation at 18.8 times is a tad expensive, and we will await till clarity emerges on the demand outlook for the company. Thank you.